Hi everyone, this is Dr. Megha. Welcome to my channel. If you're struggling with open pores and want a simple yet effective skincare routine, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to be discussing about morning skincare routine or AM routine, night skincare routine, product recommendations, and also few important skincare tips which will be included at the end of the video. So watch this video completely. So before we begin with this video, let me tell you that open pores are completely normal. These happen due to excessive oil production of your skin, aging, genetics, and also due to poor skincare habits as well. And yes, there is no permanent cure for open pores. You cannot close your open pores completely, but yes, you can reduce the appearance of it by using certain ingredients in your skincare routine like retinol, salicylic acid, and niacinamide. So let's begin with the AM routine now. So AM routine includes face wash or a gentle cleanser, serum, moisturizer, and a sunscreen. For face wash, you need to be using a salicylic acid based face wash which can exfoliate your skin gently and also helps in removing excessive oil from the skin. So here are a few recommendations of salicylic acid based face wash from my side. After cleansing your face, you can use any 5% niacinamide serum. What niacinamide serum does is it controls excessive oil production from your skin, calms damaged skin barrier, and also reduces the appearance of open pores. Here are few 5% niacinamide serum recommendations from my side. After using a serum, apply a non-comedogenic moisturizers like these. After you use a moisturizer, apply a gel-based sunscreen at last. Here are few good gel-based sunscreen recommendations from my side. If you don't want to apply a moisturizer in summer seasons or if you're living in a humid region, you can skip moisturizer and apply a sunscreen at the end. So that's it for the morning routine. Let's begin with the night skincare routine now. It's face wash, retinol, and a moisturizer. So for face wash, you can use the same face wash which you have used in the morning routine. Then apply retinol cream 1 to 2 times a week at night in a pea-sized amount, and that's more than enough. Then apply the same moisturizer which you have used in the morning routine. For recommendations regarding retinol, do check the description box. And on the days when you're not using retinol, you can just wash your face and apply a moisturizer. That's more than enough. And that's it for the routine. This routine will definitely reduce your open pores and you'll see really good results if you are consistent with your routines. So here are a few important things which you need to avoid with your skincare routine. Don't apply physical scrubs on your skin that can worsen your open pores. Second, don't over exfoliate your skin as it can strip out natural oils from your skin, which in return cause your skin to produce more oil. Number 3, avoid comedogenic makeup and skincare which can worsen your pores. And that's about it for this video. If this video was helpful in any way, do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. And don't forget to take care of yourself. Bye.